Okay.
Hi, I'm Greg, and I'm here to tell you about the cool new stuff we've built at Traxda. So this is my personal Ridgeline, and you can see here we have the high clearance lifting arm for the back. If you look, this notch here gives you way more clearance than the stock one. Our original prototype had it going up higher, but of course that would interfere with the exhaust, so we had to knock it down a bit. It's got a 2-inch lift built into it. So this is still the stock arm. This one here, you can see, has got an elevated mount point for the strut. Here's the stock one for comparison. You'll see there we've dropped it an inch plus, or we raised it an inch plus, I should say. And then we've also redesigned our lowering arm. So this is the lowering arm that has been on the website for a while, but this has been redesigned to make it quicker and faster to assemble and a little bit stronger. And you can see it's got a reduced height mount for the rear strut. So these are now shipping. They come complete with new bolts, and you should be able to line it just fine. And if you're doing this arm, it does have lift built into it, so you won't need a rear spacer if you just want to have a 2-inch lift in the back, or if you want to have the bigger lift, the 3.5 inch, you can use it, but just tell us and we'll put a smaller spacer for you to match.